Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the model and access method so you won't hit permission errors. Next, state a single, focused goal and required output format. This guides the model's behavior. Provide 1 to 3 concise examples and any context or data it must use. Once done, craft the initial prompt with role, instructions, constraints, and desired tone. Make sure to include required fields and an explicit stop condition, so the model returns usable output immediately. You'll refine by testing and adjusting parameters. Run one prompt and inspect the raw response carefully for format, accuracy, and omissions. If results are noisy, lower temperature, and constrain max tokens. If terse, add examples or increase context. Decompose complex tasks into smaller steps. Ask the model to draft an outline, expand sections, then synthesize the final output. Make sure to save prompt versions and note what changed, so you can reproduce the best performance. You finish by validating outputs against your examples and edge cases. Automated checks and format validators catch subtle errors. When results meet criteria, lock the prompt in settings and implement safety filters and rate limits for production. If the model drifts or fails, simplify the prompt, add stricter constraints, or reduce the task scope. Often fewer instructions produce more reliable output. One key tip: if outputs are inconsistent, switch to stepwise prompting and test each step separately to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.